Hi guys, just wanted to show you how this works with the Reolink, like the Argos 3 Pro, which I have since quite a long time, about a year or so. I'm really happy with it. It's a great camera, especially for time-lapse, one of the best cameras I've seen, or surveillance cameras I've seen on the market. And it even comes with a free rolling cloud. I think it's 1 week or so, but the big time problem is that we have to renew the cloud subscription every month. You can see, I had it already, and when I click on the cloud, there is nothing here. So what we have to do is to click on the cloud, then cloud storage here, then we click on plan. So you can see I'm on the basic plan, which says expired. I can click. I haven't done this since quite some time, because it's really quite exhausting to do this every month. You really have to renew it every month, otherwise you don't get any free cloud storage here. So I can click here on renew. Basic plan renewal failed. I don't know what's going on here. So when we go down here a little bit, I can click on basic monthly free 7 days 1 gigabyte. Yeah, this is what I want. So let's click here on continue. I have to even check this product here. Let's click on next, and you can see it now. It's valid again. That's important here. What you see in the middle, it says valid from January 10th to February 10th, and it has a total amount of $0, which means it's free. Then I don't know what I have to confirm. Probably I have to confirm everything and then switch to new plan. Got it. And continue to buy. Switch plan. Switch successful. Yeah, something like that. And finish, and we are back on the cloud. So when I click here, probably it will, yeah, now it says failed. But yeah, I think that's it here. Yeah, I think it hasn't been recording anything. So it would just start now. When I would walk in front of the camera, it would show something. Now it's active, but just for 1 month. And after that, I will have to renew it. So you can see that it still works, but it's very cumbersome. And since there are still other solutions around which have also free cloud, and you don't have to renew the subscription every month, I would highly suggest to buy something else. My recommendation at the moment is one of the Wyco home cameras. If you're interested, I'll put down the link of such cameras down into the description, so you can check this out and order something for you if you like it. But I really don't fully recommend the Reolink because of this cloud problem. If you want to do a time lapse, Reolink has still, I think, the best camera for time lapse. Other than that, go with one of the cameras which are supporting the Wyco home. That's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.